Beth, Anvils, Roach Inc. Entertainment. Cap City, Cap City, Cap City, Cap City. We dangerous, trapping them C's in our headlocks. Against us, even rugby teams couldn't get props. We get crossed like X's that mark the spot, stopping niggas before they finish like ellipses, dots. I blitz the blocks like magma. Jack your ice on me and my niggas can cut through it like a figure skate dancer. Any chancer with the audacity to battle me will tragically get his head severed and sent to his family. Don't anger me, cause my lyrical imperial strap me to a wheelchair and I still be able to kick a flow. You better off letting go of the thought that you could even consider competing with my intriguing method of speaking. I'm always defeating cats with skills that's mediocre, cause I'm that evil ogre making niggas seek Jehovah. In fact, you couldn't be doper if your name was Coca Smack, cause in a nutshell, my motherfucking flows is fat. You can front all you want, but
real heads no.
Niggas be faking a funk, but
real heads no.
Just who rock shows with the hard knock flows. Fuck the he said, she said.
Real heads no.
You can front all you want, but
real heads no.
Niggas be faking a funk, but
real heads no.
Just who rock shows with the hard knock flows. Fuck the he said, she said.
Real heads no.
Point blank, who got style with a brain crucifix? Y'all niggas ever been dope? Thought it's never crossed my mind when I drop a rhyme for real. Rappers wanna bite me like cigarettes half filtered. I'm taking MCs lightly, precisely. We drop this joint for the real heads who got the ability to break MCs like a recess. And even though we sending RIPs to the meat van, we still having MCs for takeaways on the weekend.
For whack niggas, the cypher becomes a hostile aisle. They get sentenced to do time without no trial. I got more styles than a schizo. I'm live with the ill flow with 100 gigabyte CPU info. Show the evidence of the magic I rhyme about. I line up a squad of MCs and then I strike them out. Fakes get cut short like a fling, cause I'm the type to bitch slap the fat lady for trying to sing. You can front all you want, but
real heads no.
Niggas be faking a funk, but
real heads no.
Just who rock shows with the hard knock flows. Fuck the he said, she said.
Real heads no.
You can front all you want, but
real heads no.
Niggas be faking a funk, but
real heads no.
Just who rock shows with the hard knock flows. Fuck the he said, she said.
Real heads no.
The last time you heard cheers, we've never been sober, man. We had more rappers torn apart than an angry homeless man. It ain't hard to represent if you stay in the realest. We getting more love than 0 points in the game of tennis. Respect this, love it or not, matter affect this. We Cap City's finest on mics, nigga. We damn sick, the best kid. Type of empress you don't contest with, like an obese dude on laxatives. You dropping fat shit. These whack kids keep on asking to be on our next shit. That's like having a pen pal, knowing that you dyslexic. We flexing, hard rhymes, kid. We've manifested the real bars, not the ones you hold when you arrested. You blessed with the prolific sound. Yeah, it's the Anvils. The volcanoes had arms that admit that we hard to handle. We channel flows too slick. If you wanna battle, getting more hype than Kelly Kumalo's virginity scandal.
You can front all you want, but
real heads no.
Niggas be faking a funk, but
real heads no.
Just who rock shows with the hard knock flows. Fuck the he said, she said.
Real heads no.
You can front all you want, but
real heads no.
Niggas be faking a funk, but
real heads no.
Just who rock shows with the hard knock flows. Fuck the he said, she said.
Real heads no.